The car's tires are flat. Who did this? Jack, did you do this? You wouldn't have put the bike next to the wheel if you didn't tell me to. No, it's not my fault. I didn't do anything, trust me.
Children, be quiet now. If you argue, the wheel will not be fixed. I am calling the mechanic right now.
Dad, take out the phone and call the maker.
Hello, my car has a flat tire. Can you come over? Yes, sir. Don't worry. I'll be right out. It'll only take me 20 minutes. Okay, thank you. We're waiting.
Come on, kids. Let's play in the garden for 20 minutes. There's nothing to be upset about.
Yay! I'll catch butterflies. I'll pick flowers for Mom.
Look, what a beautiful day it is.
Yes, and we can leave in a little while. Hi, let me see the tires on your car. Look, the rear left tire is flat. I got it. Put a stepney on it. It won't take long.
Uncle, how do you open the wheel?
Look, Babu, this the car up a little. Then you unscrew the nut, take the old wheel out. Sir, it's done. But please fix the old wheel quickly. Stepney won't run for long. Thank you very much, brother. You came and helped me very quickly. That's my job. Have a nice trip.
Yay! We're really going now. I feel so good about going to the village.
You must be hungry. Look what I brought.
Wow! My favorite chocolate cake! Mom, you're the best. You always bring us our favorite food.
Thank you so much for having us.
Wow, look at that big red barn.
Welcome to our farm. Make yourselves at home. The kids have been looking forward to this all week.
Can we go see the cows now?
Of course you can, young man.
Mom, how big the cow is! And how beautiful her eyes are. Is she gonna kick our ass?
Don't be scared. These cows are very calm.
Look at Mimi! She's eating grass from my hand.
Do you know how to milk a cow?
No, I've never seen it. Wow, the milk comes out so easily.
Jack, do you know where milk comes from before it reaches our home?
Yes, Mom, it comes from the cow.
And this milk is very fresh and healthy. Do you know why farmers take good care of cows?
Because if the cow is happy and healthy, she gives more milk.
Wow, you are a smart girl. See, kids, this is how our food comes from nature. Farmers work very hard every day.
I want to be a farmer when I grow up. This is much more fun than the milk from the store. Look how hungry she is.
She certainly likes that fresh grass.
What a beautiful place. I really like being here.
Yes, we will spend the night here.
Today's special is fresh milk pies and milk turi. I hope you like it.
This is amazing. Mom, will you make it like this at home?
I'll try, Jack, but I won't get fresh milk like here.
Dad, today is the best day of my life.
Every day can be beautiful if we spend time together as a family.
Look, how beautiful the sunset
The sky is filled with orange and pink. Dad, look, there's a river. Can we go that way?
Let's take a walk.
It feels so light, away from the hustle and bustle of the city, doesn't it?
Yes, sometimes you need to get close to nature like this. The kids learned a lot today.
Today I learned how milk comes, how to take care of cows, and I learned how to...
Change a tire. We will never forget today.
Mom, look! There's a light shining on the body of a flying insect.
They're called fireflies. You don't see them in the city, you only see them in the countryside.
I'll catch one. Easy, Dad. Don't hurt them.
Just look, how beautiful they look. Amazing! I felt so peaceful after a long time.
Tell me one favorite moment from today.
My favorite moment was feeding the cow grass. She was eating from my hands, so...
My favorite was watching the car's wheels get fixed. Uncle Maker taught me a lot.
My favorite moment was sitting by the river, watching the sunset, with all of you.
Mom, what else are we gonna do tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning, we'll explore the farm a little more, then we'll go home.
I like this trip the most, Dad.
So did we, Dad. Get some sleep now. Tomorrow is a new day.
Good morning! I'm going to go to the cows again today.
Me too. I'm gonna milk the cows myself today.
I'm going to the cows again today. I'm up.
Jack's right. Let's all get ready quickly.
How refreshing it feels.
Yes, everything here, that's why it feels so refreshing.
Good morning. Today's breakfast is hot bread, fried eggs, and fresh milk.
Is this milk from yesterday's cow too?
You're absolutely right. It was milked this morning. After breakfast, we'll go back to the farm, okay?
Welcome back! I have something special to show you today.
What will you show? Wow! Are these baby cows?
Yes, they're called calves. They were born just a few weeks ago.
They're so small and cute. Can I touch them?
Of course! Hold this bottle. If you hold it in front of the calf's mouth like this, it will start eating.
Look at Mimi! He's eating! He's licking my hand. That's so funny. He's so cute. How soft and smooth his He's running after me.
Yes, calves bond very quickly with people who take care of them.
Come on, let's show you how our entire farm runs. Sure, let the kids learn how to run a farm too.
It's so clean here.
It's very important to keep the cows healthy by keeping their living quarters clean. We clean the shed twice a day.
Here we mix hay, cornmeal, and other nutritious ingredients.
Do the cows eat this food every day?
Yes, they are fed 3 times a day at specific times so that they are healthy and give good milk.
That means cows have to follow a routine, just like us.
Then cows have a timetable, just like school.
Can I give them some water?
Sure, take this pipe.
Jack, you're a real farmer today.
I'm really going to build a farm when I grow up.
Such a big and beautiful place. It must be a pleasure to work here.
Yes, it is difficult, but working with nature is peaceful for me.
This is so much more delicious than the yogurt from the market.
I could eat the whole bowl.
Take it easy, Dad. You don't want to get sick on the way home.